Let's say you're the owner of a fantastic lot in Wilson, Wyoming, in a subdivision at the bottom of Teton Pass near Jackson Hole. It's a superb location with sweeping views of the mountains beyond, but the only drawback is that you're attached to it. You know it's special, and you feel the need to find the perfect fit, those who will put it to its best possible use. Then you find an outdoor-loving family of 5 from San Francisco who are in search of a new mountain home and a base camp for all of the experiences that this area has to offer. They immediately fall in love with the lot. Bingo! The site was level, wooded with aspens and conifers. Despite enjoying mountain views and proximity to town, it presented challenges in locating to capture views and minimize road noise and neighboring house lights. The owners envisioned a contemporary home with extensive use of glass on facades and cool interiors with views to a pond. The open vista on the property was a bonus for the lot's new owners and for CLB Architects who designed their new home driven by the views. The owners have a minimalist aesthetic and wanted a house that was informal, connected with the outdoors, and in tune with the surrounding landscape. The interior design was a collaboration between the owner, his mother, a retired interior designer working jointly with the office. The interiors feature walnut floors, beech veneers, and frontier sandstone. The ceilings are hemlock, which is also lighter than the walnut floors. The residence is composed of 2 volumes. The single-story, mostly transparent volume encompasses an open-plan kitchen, living, and dining area, and extends over an outdoor living room anchored on both sides by large, massive fireplaces. The kitchen design was carefully considered, along with the pantry and bar. The sizing of locally crafted custom elements, such as the wood slab tables, strikes a balance between intimacy and the ability to entertain large groups. The result is an open, spacious, nature-inspired home that maximizes its site and meets the needs of an active family. Overall, the interiors were created to be cozy spaces that are also modern. It's a modern interpretation of a mountain home. In the outdoor living room, where an outdoor pizza oven, radiant heaters, and fireplace also extend the use of the space. Up above, the team used cross-laminated timber, CLT panels, for the roof structure, a technical innovation that provides large overhangs during harsh winters. Both volumes feature elements clad in zinc panels. In the 2-story volume, these contrast with horizontal cedar siding. The two-story volume houses bedrooms and public services on the ground floor and the master suite on the upper floor to capture views. The master suite's living area with built-in sofa bed connects to the children's dormitory outdoor room via a floating bridge spanning over the home's main entrance. It features many windows for a sense of being outside even when indoors. A contemporary home for a busy family with plenty of light, large windows, and spacious rooms. A pond was created between the house and the mountain view, so there's space for outdoor activities. Native trees were planted to screen some areas, making the house blend discreetly with the surrounding areas, with aspens and conifers around.